What's going on, everybody? So I got the stem back from the machine shop. It took them about 4 days to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and try to install the front end today with hopefully some success. So here's the finished product. They basically, like I said, they cut the stem in half, and because it was hollow, I don't know if you can see that, they threaded the inside of the two halves here. So they threaded about 2 inches this way and 2 inches this way. They put a 5/8 size rod in there that had the thread, and then I got this nut from Home Depot, which gave me the exact measurement I needed to clear everything so I can put on both spanner nuts up here. I did put some set screws in here, so there's one there, there's one there. So the set screws are not in flush because I had already tapped and threaded the stem. So when I went to try to thread the rod, I couldn't do it without wrecking the thread. So basically I just over tightened it, which mashed up the threads on the rod on the inside and it's holding in place. I put a bunch of Loctite everywhere, both on this and on the threads inside and on this. I checked inside the neck of the bike there. These are totally nowhere near anything. It just doesn't look as great, but it still serves a purpose. So this is the finished product. I also polished the bottom yoke or the bottom triple. It could be a little better to get it that really high mirror finish, but this is better than what it was and I'm okay with this for now. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this now. This should actually be a lot easier than last time. Alright. Back breaker. Okay, I think I have a bit of a problem. So this is on now, but the spanner nuts, sorry, I don't remember if they go under the triple, the top triple, or if they go on top and it's supposed to fit here. I think they fit here. Let me just check my other bike real quick. Okay, so this is definitely how it's supposed to go, but the issue is I can put the nut back on, but I don't have enough space to clear the shocks up here. So I think I either have to raise the shocks up, or I have to extend this stem a little bit more, which is going to be really hard now that I've Loctited everything. I need to think about this. So I have these levers for an R6. I'm going to test to see if they fit on this. Let's see if the stock clutch will work for that too. I've installed these aftermarket levers that I got from my cousin. The whole front end is on. Looking pretty good. Gives it such a different stance. So I need to figure out what to do with all these wires now. I'm going to install the headlight next time and stuff a lot of that back in there. But for now, that's going to take some fab work. I'm also going to redo the subframe. I bought another piece of metal, but I can't do that today, I don't have time. But it's looking pretty good overall. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.